Okay, example 6 is a cool one because what you've got going on with this one is you have two variables that you're looking for, A and B. But the thing is, everything's divided. -1's kind of our place. We're trying to avoid picking up the pencil at -1. So this thing needs to go to 6. This thing from the left, this one needs to go to 6 from the right. But that's when x is -1. That's the only time we care about them all being 6. So if they're all 6, their function value is 6, then you were able to draw the whole thing without picking up your pencil. All right, so using calculus notation here, though, I mean, you could set it up without, but I'll go ahead and say the limit as x approaches -1 from the left will be this top one because less than -1 is to the left of -1. And so that's when x is -1. So so of f of x, so that would equal x is -1. So it's going to be -2a minus b. Okay. And then likewise, the limit coming from the right-hand side would be the bottom one. X is approaching -1 from the right of f of x. And again, x is -1. So if I make x -1, well, that's just 1. All right. So that would be a plus b. Okay, but here's the thing. If this is going to be true, then, and we know the function value is 6, these two are supposed to equal 6. So that would create a little system of equations. All right, so I would have -2a minus b has to be 6. That's the left-hand one. And at the same time, the right-hand one needs to be 6 also. Well, that was nice of them. That's a nice little system of equations. We can just add straight down. And so I have -a equals 12. So that means that a is -12. Okay. And so if a is equal to -12, then b would have to be 18 so that when you add them, you get 6. Interesting. All right. We're done with the problem. All right. And you can stop right now if you want to, but I'm just really curious. I want to take a look. All right. So we go back over here. All right. So we have so a is -12. So that's going to be -24x minus 18. So come on. -24x, I already forgot. -24x minus 18. All right. So -24x minus 18. But that was only going to be when x was less than -1. Okay. Oh, there. Look, as you can see, it hit at 6. All right. And so then the other one had better hit right at that point. It's going to be blue. It looks like it's going to be, I think so. And so the other one is going to be -12x squared plus 18. -12x squared plus 18, but only when x is greater than -1. Haha. All right, so look at there. So now it's a sharp point. It's very violent, and that's going to cause us a problem in the next unit. But for now, we're just talking about drawing it without picking up our pencil. And indeed, we were able to. So coming from the left, boom, and then a sharp turn, pow, just bouncing off of that and hitting this cubic the rest of the way. All right, so that's a quadratic. I thought it was a cubic. Hold on, go back. No, it's a quadratic. Sorry. Yeah, it's a quadratic the rest of the way. So that kind of demonstrates this little graph demonstrates what we were trying to create with the -12 and the 18. Okay. All right.